If you guys would like to learn how to make the simulator tool that awards the player coins whenever they reach the max amount of blocks, then you're going to have to watch this whole video.
Yeah.
Guys, and welcome to the tutorial of how to make a simulator tool in Roblox Studio. If you're not subscribed yet, please do, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out when I upload a new video. So, let's get started. First off, we're going to have to make our leaderboard. So click the plus, enter script, rename your script to leaderboard. Okay, now once you have your leaderboard, going to clear print hello world, and then type this: game.players.player added, going connect function, and we're going to say player beneath these brackets. Now what we're going to say is local leader stats equals instance.new folder. Now we're going to say leader stats dot name equals to leader stats. Leader stats dot parent equals to player. Now once you have your leader stats, you're going to say local blocks equals to instance dot new int value, and it has to be an int value or else it won't work. Blocks dot name equals to blocks. Blocks dot parent equals to leader stat. Now we're going to make another leader stat. We're going to make our coins. So local coins equals to instance dot new open bracket close bracket parentheses int value. Enter. I'm going to say coins dot name equals to coins. Now we're going to say coins dot parent equals to leader stat. Okay, now let's test it. And you will have leader stats that displays your blocks and coins. Now we just have to make the tool that gives you coins and blocks. So let's start off by making our handle. So click plus, insert a part, scale our part. I'm just going to scale it to a tiny block, make it simple. Okay, now rename your part to handle. Now once you have your handle, you're going to click the plus on the starter pack, insert in a tool. I rename my tool to actually I'm going to name it to block. I'm going to make the tooltip click for blocks. Now we are going to put our handle inside the block. And now it should show up on the player's hand. Now let's make some values. So click the plus, insert a number value. I'm going to rename this value to max blocks. So we're going to make this our max blocks to have. I'm going to make mine 255 and duplicate this. I'm going to rename it to much blocks, which is the amount of blocks that the player will receive whenever they click, and name it to, make the value 15. Okay, now to have your two values, then you're going to click the plus and insert a script. Now you're going to clear print hello world, rename your script to give blocks. Now once you have that, we're going to start making some variables. So local tool equals to script.parent. Local max blocks equals to script.parent.maxblocks dot value. Local much blocks equals to script.parent.muchblocks.value. Okay, now once you have all of your variables, you're going to say tool dot activated connect function open bracket close bracket and then enter. Now we're going to say local character equals to tool.parent. And we're going to say local player equals to game.players on get player from character. And now we have the character's player, or the player that clicked the tool. Now we are going to say plr.leaderstats.blocks.value equals to plr.leaderstats.blocks.value plus much blocks. So whatever you put inside of the number value, it will give that player the amount of blocks. Now we are going to script our max amount of blocks. So if plr.leaderstats.blocks.value equals to max blocks, then we're checking if the player has the max amount of blocks that we put in, and we're going to sell the blocks for the player. So now we're going to say plr.leaderstats.blocks.value equals to plr.leaderstats.blocks.value minus max blocks. So now we're taking away the blocks from the player, so we can sell the blocks for coins. plr.leaderstats.coins.value equals to leader stats dot coins dot value plus max block. Okay, now it should work. Let's test it. Click play. Click the block and then click it. And when it reaches its max blocks, then it's gonna award us coins, and then we get to keep clicking and award ourselves coins. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.